Hello guys, hi, welcome back to this channel. Welcome to this platform. If you are new here, I welcome. If you are not subscriber, thank you very much for tuning back in. God bless you. I really do appreciate the love. If you are new here, quick introduction guys. I loves, welcome. I'm Bosteni, and on this channel, on this platform, I do makeup tutorials, I do DIYs, clothes, I do importation trainings and pre-order. I do unboxing as well. Currently I have tons of video on my page on importation, how to go about it. I have unboxing videos, I have makeup unboxing, how to shop from 1688 app. Currently this is 2023, right? Also I have how to make millions on pre-order business, how to start your importation business. I have tons. I have the one I talk about, Splurge or Save Designer or Dupe as well. So you might want to go to my channel and check it out. Also, I'll try my best to leave the description, to leave the links to all these videos that I mentioned in the description box down below. So you might want to check that out so that you don't miss anything. Also, another thing you can do is just click on my channel, then go down there, right? So that way you get to see all those videos and watch for yourself. If there's anything you want me to talk about pre-order, about importation, or how to order anything, we don't keep things here, okay? I'm as plain as I can be. If I don't want to talk about it, I won't come here in the first place, if that makes sense. So just let me know, and of course I will make sure to make a video and dedicate that video to that particular topic that you want, right? All right guys, without wasting much of your time, this video is about unboxing, and all these goods that I got are like about 100k plus, including shipping down to Nigeria. And by the time I open these goods, you tell me if it was worth more than that. Also, I will try my best to leave the prices to all these videos up here, or somewhere in the video whenever I'm like posting it, whenever I'm showing the goods, because my last video those goods were so much. They were about almost 800k, so I couldn't really put prices on it. Also because I changed my phone, so I like mixed up some links, if that makes sense, but I'll try my best, right? Also, I do trainings on importation and I do pre-order groups as well. I have two pre-order group currently. I have Telegram group. That one is for luxury goods like Zara, Gucci, Versace, Christian Dior, designer goods that comes with the carton receipts and every other good stuffs that comes with designers, right? And at the same time, I have a WhatsApp group. That one is for China goods, things that I'll be showing now, things that I've been showing before, or anything from China, anything that they are selling, you will see it there. If you want something, message me, send the picture to me, I will search for it. And at the same time, I do procurement agents here in Nigeria. If you want me to help you to order things, just send me the links and I will do that for you. And at the same time, I'm a personal shopper, okay? So anyways, I'll leave my WhatsApp number on the screen so that way you get to message me for business. I'll leave my business Instagram as well, my personal Instagram, so just make sure you follow me, check it out, and you see for yourself. Like I said earlier, this video is about unboxing, so don't let me waste too much of your time. Okay, thank you. So I want to try to show you guys the amount I paid. All my goods were 6.6 kg, as small as these goods are, and the exchange rate was 960. So I picked it up yesterday, and everything I paid was 52,114 naira. I hope you guys can see it. If not, maybe I'll leave it on the screen. So I don't know why, but I love to like open these smaller packages first, especially nylon packages. So I got these socks, and I actually wanted the ash color to be like longer than the black, if that makes sense. but unfortunately the black came longer than the ash. So I got this travel pillow as well, and I love the fact that it came like this, so you can literally just blow into it, right? I mean, you can buy 100 pieces and it's not even weight at all. Like, it's a very lightweight goods. So I'm sure you guys would remember this bag. I got it in, I think, blue and pink. So I went out and I took a picture with the blue. So someone saw it on my IG page. I liked it. The person ordered for blue and brown, of which trust me to deliver, obviously. So anyways, and this bag is super lightweight. Like, I mean, you can order for 100 pieces and it will be less than a kg, or at least a kg and a half, if that makes sense. So I got 4 pieces of this edoma, and one is approximately 600 naira, and this is so thick, unlike the normal edoma you will see anywhere. So I got this lingerie and I got 3 pieces. I'll be selling the black and the pink, so I got the blue for myself, and this was less than 500 naira from there. I mean, and the fact that this is super lightweight. So this toy was less than 5,000 naira, although it's heavy and it's electronic, so shipping down here would definitely be expensive. But I mean, if you want to sell it, you all know how much they sell this here in Nigeria. You get it's nothing less than 20k upward. So I got this, I don't know what it's called, but it's used for when you want to wash your face. I was seeing it on TikTok, so I just took a screenshot, then sauce from it, and I got 2. I wanted that pink to be for, like, outing or video. Then that other color looks like a dirty color, so I feel like it's more okay to use. I got this tripod. It's also comes with shutter and it comes with the LED light, and it's super bright, and it's long. Yeah, I was comparing it with the one I have at home that I use, and I have 3 pieces of this. I have for sale. I have personal one that I use as well. So the difference between this and the one I had before was that, aside from the LED lights that this has, this can go in portrait mode and in the landscape mode, unlike the other one I had before that it's only landscape. So this is light with no flash, right? And of course I'll be trying it on my face, but wow, this is just number 1. Number 2, okay, it has only 2 settings. Now let's try it on the face. Alright guys, so this is a tripod and it comes with LED lights, and you can see it's not even mounted on my phone. So now imagine that if I mount this on my phone, do you get? So let's try it now and see how bright it is. This is 1, this is 2, and you can clearly see. Oh my god, oh my freaking god, guys, this is super duper bright. Imagine you're in the club or you're somewhere very dark and you want to do snap or something. Guys, this is very, very affordable, and just chat me up. Trust me, you can't see this anywhere, no cap. And it comes with shutter, like you can just take picture with this or video with this. This is the shutter. It's a tripod and it's long. You can put it on your table anywhere, and it comes with. So yeah, I was comparing it and just showing you guys the difference. And this is another shutter that I have lots of this one that I sell as well. So I have different types of shutter, different types of tripods, and I feel like I want to sell my old ones. So I mean, that would be like way cheaper than the normal ones, if that makes sense. Also, I got these whitening gummies, glutathione gummies, and probiotics. I got this for like this before
I eventually, make my own branded one, if that makes sense. Unfortunately, while making these videos, my mic died, so I didn't really know, like I didn't even realize that my mic was off. I guess the battery, or I did not charge it properly or something. So I apologize for that. But I mean, I just had to like cut that video short. I was literally explaining the things there, and I said the best for the last, if that makes sense. I got this vitamins, I got 100 pieces of it, and here I was counting it to make sure it's 100 pieces. Please guys, if you get any goods from China, make sure that you count your things well, because suppliers, some of these suppliers are scammers. That's just the gospel truth. But anyways, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share, guys, and please watch it through to the end. Like, comment, share, follow me on my social media platform, especially my TikTok and my personal Instagram. If there's any video you want me to talk about, please let me know. I can't remember what I was saying here, but I mean, I was passing a message obviously. Unfortunately, like I said, my mic was off. So, but anyways, okay, yes, I said if you guys want to see me make a video on how to use this vitamin C, and yes, I also be selling it. This is what I'll be using for my brides or my birthday girlies now for makeup. As you know, I'm a makeup artist. As a matter of fact, I'm an award-winning makeup artist. Okay. Hi guys, thank you very much once again. I really do appreciate the love and support. God bless you.